So in my sight, okay, it was not as a challenge or something, but it was actually as a test because it's after reading the book that I faced the situation. So my roommates, as my sister, we are living in dorms. So my roommates, they are bad, but they were not that bad before reading the book. So after reading the book, they became very, very bad.
Like, let's test our patience
yes, right now. So after reading the book, they did this very bad thing to me, and it was something I could not support. Like I would take everything from them, but that one, after reading the book, I could not support it, and I actually give them what they were trying to give to me, and I give it to them actually. So and of course I read the book at that same moment. I read the book, like it was not even an hour later, and they did the nonsense to me. But that night I came to my mentor and I told her the situation, and she was like, okay, that's a good thing. God is trying to test you. I said, God, this is not the time to test me. But I realized that it was actually a test because it cannot be something else. Like you cannot just finish reading a book about Christianity and you are faced to this type of situation. So it was a test, and I had to practice what I'm reading. So we just don't have to read, but we also have to practice what we are doing.
Yes.